got feature us, we don't have to get that. There's an old Corvette right there. See that?
No. Here's a new one. Right here.
That's nice, huh?
Yeah.
It's the older one. It's the older one, right?
That's a new one. Oh, look at these cars.
You like it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. This one's all you.
How you doing?
You're good. You?
How you doing?
That's my nephew. Yeah.
What, your sister's boy? Or?
EF Timo's boy. Yeah, my older sister.
Yeah.
And he loves cars.
Yeah.
And this just
Well,
started.
Kevin was down for the reunion.
Really? For the parade?
All class reunion?
They have fun?
Oh, yeah.
He's big time DJ over in Texas, huh?
No, in Grand Rapids.
I thought he was Texas for a
No,
while.
Grand Rapids. Yeah, he just got he just got an award for the best morning show duo in Michigan. Michigan
that
Association of Broadcasters. Yeah.
Funny? That's good.
There's another Corvette over there.
Let's
With
go
nice.
see that Corvette. Let's go.
There's a little buggy.
We can go see it. If you want to. There it is.
Look at it.
Whoa.
Look what rims on it.
Whoa. That's an old one, isn't it?
What this?
Huh?
What this? That's a new one.
Yeah, that is a nice one. What about this Corvette?
That's so old. It's from the
This
70s.
one says, please do not touch. Yeah. Right, touching it probably kill you.
Well, this one isn't licking.
Yeah. Hi. Yeah, so.
Wow, this one is from 1948.
This is an old one. See that motor? You taking pictures of it?
I'm making a video. Oh, Route 66. They smell good too. Oh, they smell really good.
Yeah, they smell good already. A lot of work in them.
There's a thing there that's like ice creams.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Somebody can be rolling in this. Oh, can you see that car over there? It's like a bat. It's a black. It has like lowrider rims.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. The hamburger. So you got that.
Oh yeah. I love it because it's so low to the ground. Look at the back. Can be doing wheelies. I love the muscle cars like that. Some can do wheelies.
That's a big car.
Yeah, right here. Got the sides. I love this motor. So classic.
Huge, huh?
Yep.
Massive.
So, like, look at that buggy over there.
That's a cool buggy. That's a Ford Mustang. See that little car on there going around? So which one do you like best? Because they're going to vote on these. And whoever gets the most cars that they like.
The most old one?
Yeah, everyone's going to get a trophy.
Well, the one that I like, the old rat one, I like that one, the red one. And that black one over there, it's a big Jeep. But the most like really sexy cars, I like the Corvette and that. I like the two really nice
Well,
Corvettes.
that's who's gonna probably win the trophy.
Oh yeah,
Everyone brought their own car.
yeah. But people like that brought this car, they came from far away.
They did.
Because Brakewood's really old.
Yeah.
Did you even see that Mustang? My neighbor actually has a Corvette.
Did they?
Yeah, it's a black